Hey guys, good morning. This is Octavia. I am actually headed down to the property this morning just to go and check on the progress to see how the demo is going, as well as the painting. So I will keep you guys posted. Okay guys, so as you can see, everything has started. We've got some primer and some paint going on. We've got drywall repair. The demo in the kitchen as well as in the bathrooms started. All the old cabinetry has been removed. So you can see what's going on here. Walk through the rest of the house. So the doors that we were removing have been taken out. Started prepping in here, removed the old flooring that was in here, which what my GC told me was like 3 layers of bad flooring that had been put down. So all that was removed and we're down to the slab. Prepping, priming the walls, as you can see, to take down this really dark paint that's in here. This is the guest bathroom. So, nice progress. Nice progress. This is the master. Yeah. So far so good. We are making good progress. I am actually waiting on another shipment to come in. So we've got our butcher block counters coming in today, and some other items that we ordered that we were waiting on. These are all the kitchen cabinets that we ordered, as well as the subway tile. So stay tuned.